In our complicated journey as an artist, I am affirmations serve as the thread of empowerment, helping us in getting back our self-belief, inspiration, and resilience. By incorporating these positive declarations in our daily life and routine, artists can reshape our mindset, opening doors to new creative possibilities and overcome obstacles on the path of artistic fulfillment. Embracing the transformative power of I am affirmations, we artists can unlock the full potential of our creativity and cultivate a mindset that propels us towards artistic greatness. I am so excited to welcome you all to this guided meditation that I have designed to empower and inspire you on your creative journey. Today, we will embark on a journey of self-discovery and affirmations using the transformative power of I am affirmations to enhance our artistic expression. I would love for you to find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and let's begin. We will start by taking a deep breath in, allowing the air to fill our lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Feel yourself grounded in the present moment, ready to explore the depths of your creativity. Now repeat after me, either silently or out loud. I am grounded in my creative energy. I am connected to the endless well of inspiration within me. I am centered in the present moment, free from doubt and distraction. Feel the energy of these affirmations grounding you, like the roots extending deep into the fertile soil of your creativity. Visualize a warm, golden light surrounding you, and then repeat with conviction. I am confident and capable artist. I am worthy of success and recognition for my creative endeavors. I am filled with self-assurance, trusting in my unique artistic voice. Feel this radiant light infusing you with a renewed sense of self-confidence and belief in your creative abilities. Imagine a vibrant, colorful aura enveloping you, and then affirm yourself. I am a vessel of boundless creativity. Repeat after me. I am open to new ideas and innovative expressions. I am free to explore the limitless possibilities of my artistic vision. Now, sense the spectrum of colors swirling around you, awakening and amplifying your creative energy. Now, embracing the process, picture a serene river flowing gently, and just affirm to yourself, I am at peace with my creative process. I am embracing the journey of artistic growth and evolution. I am resilient in the face of challenges, knowing they are opportunities for learning and expansion. Now allow the gentle flow of the river to symbolize the ease and acceptance of your artistic journey. Now we will express gratitude for our creativity. Expressing gratitude for the gift of creativity within us, let's affirm: I am grateful for the inspiration that flows through me. I am thankful for the ability to bring my artistic visions to life. I am appreciative of the unique perspective I offer to the world through my art. Now feel the warmth of gratitude enveloping you, acknowledging and honoring your creative essence. Just continue to sit in silence. Just focus on the music and choose some positive words that you want to express for yourself as an artist after the words I am. Imagine yourself in that place. As you gently return to the present moment, carry the energy of these I am affirmations with you. Embrace the newfound sense of confidence, creativity, and gratitude within your artistic practice. Remember, you are a magnificent creator, and your unique artistic voice deserves to be heard. When you're ready, open your eyes, knowing that you are empowered and inspired to create art that resonates with your soul. Thank you so much for joining this meditation.